Hemophagocytic Lymphohistiocytosis, or HLH, by Paige Jacobson. What is HLH? Well, HLH is an immune deficiency disorder that occurs because parts of the immune system are missing or do not function correctly. This mainly occurs with the white blood cells, so the T lymphocytes and macrophages. The two most common symptoms of HLH are a persistent fever that lasts more than 7 days and a rash. How does HLH work? Well, when a person gets a virus, the person's T cells and NK cells go to attack this infection and kill it. But when a person's immune system with HLH, these T cells and NK cells never shut off. So they, instead of shutting off, go and attack normal, healthy body cells. The two most common ways to test for HLH are a bone marrow biopsy and detailed genetic testing. Speaking of detailed genetic testing, HLH is a genetic condition. The proteins made up by the MUNC13-4, STXBP2, STX11, RAB27A, and LIST genes work like a machinery of conveyor belts and are responsible for the secretion of the death signals produced by T cells and NK cells. The PERF1 gene makes a protein called perforin. It works like a key that allows the secreted death signals to enter inside a targeted abnormal cell where the death signals can work. The treatment for HLH could be one of two things: either a management of HLH with just steroids, or to cure HLH, a person needs steroids, then chemotherapy, and then a related bone marrow transplant. HLH is a rare condition that affects 1 in 1.2 million children, and you are looking at one. When I was 2 years old, I was diagnosed with HLH. At 3 years old, I had chemotherapy, an unrelated matched bone marrow transplant, 10 DLIs or mini transplants, and a stem cell transplant. I stand before you today cured from HLH because of STEM and all of the research and science that has gone before me. I want to continue in my passion for science so I can help the others to live just like me. Here are my resources. Thank you for listening.